the lab I work in is doing research on Alzheimer's disease, and I in particular am working or investigating the role of a certain molecule called microRNA 132 in Alzheimer's disease. And so we see that the levels of this microRNA is decreased in the brain of Alzheimer's disease patients compared to healthy controls. And what we also see is when we directly inject this microRNA, so we restore the levels of this microRNA in the brain of mouse models, we see that we can ameliorate the pathology and also the memory loss. So this points to the fact that restoring the levels of this microRNA might be beneficial to treat Alzheimer's disease. So I'm actually working on a way to increase the levels of microRNA 132 in a clinically relevant and non-invasive way. So not directly injecting it into the brain, but by optimizing the intranasal delivery of this microRNA, so delivery from the nose into the brain. And that's actually where the BeSmart consortium comes in and where they can help. So there are several partners of the consortium that design nanoparticles in which we can load our microRNA, and like this we can increase the efficacy of the delivery from the nose into the brain. And so I'm testing this efficacy in mouse models of Alzheimer's disease.
I'm responsible for all the procedures that characterize the synthesis of lipidic and polymeric nanoparticles. This is performed by a microfluidic mixing system that provides a successful approach to scale up the nanoparticle synthesis process in a reliable and replicable manner.
For me, working in BeSmart is an amazing experience because I love the research and I'm aware that it isn't common to work in a company that allows this, especially in Italy. Furthermore, I think that drugs made by nanoparticles and loaded with nucleic acid will be the future of modern therapy.
For me, the most exciting part of working at BeSmart is the opportunity of collaborating and networking with the partners. Even though each lab is focusing on a specific part of the project, we are gaining knowledge for every partner and cooperating with them on innovative approaches to achieve the same goal.
I am really glad to be part of this international and interdisciplinary research project because I really feel that the mixture of different culture, point of view, several worlds approach and scientific background may represent an extraordinary and unique opportunity to grow as a human being, and most importantly, it may enrich every teammate and subsequently the scientific community all over the world.
For me personally, working in BeSmart has expanded my professional network a lot. And I have gained experience that is important for me as a young researcher, including following the chain of events in experimental work, including planning of experiments, doing the experimental work in the lab, writing reports and also articles, presenting and discussing my results at project meetings, and also there being able to work with and learn from very experienced and skilled researchers from other fields. Additionally, having some experience from BeSmart helped pushing me towards starting a PhD in medical technology back in 2018.